If you're trying to use voice chat in Discord and your microphone is not working, this video will show you exactly how to grant Discord microphone access on Windows in just a few simple steps. We'll go through the Windows privacy settings, check Discord's own voice settings, and test the microphone to make sure everything is working properly. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Now, let's jump right in. First, open Discord and make sure you know whether the problem is coming from Windows permissions or from Discord itself. A lot of the time, the microphone is blocked at the system level, so even if Discord is open, it still cannot detect your voice. The first thing we need to do is open Windows Settings. To do that, press Windows and I on your keyboard. That will bring up the Settings app immediately. Once Settings is open, go to Privacy and Security on the left-hand side. Then scroll until you find Microphone and click it. This is where Windows controls which apps can use your microphone. On this page, turn on microphone access. If this setting is off, no application will be able to use your mic properly. Next, turn on Let Desktop Apps Access Your Microphone. This is especially important for Discord because Discord is a desktop app, and without this permission, it may not receive any audio input at all. After that, look through the app list and make sure Discord is allowed. If Discord appears in the list, confirm that it has permission to use the microphone. If it is blocked, turn it on. Once Windows permissions are set correctly, the next step is to go back to Discord itself. Open Discord, then click the User Settings icon in the bottom left corner. In the Settings menu, select Voice and Video. This section controls all of your audio input and output options inside Discord. Under Input Device, choose the microphone you actually want to use. If you have more than one microphone connected, this step is very important because Discord may be using the wrong one by default. Select your headset mic, built-in mic, or USB microphone from the drop-down menu. After selecting the correct input device, scroll down and click Let's Check. Speak into your microphone while Discord runs the test. You should see the input level move when you talk. If it does, that means Discord is now hearing your microphone correctly. If nothing happens, double check that the correct microphone is selected and that Windows permissions are enabled. If the mic still does not work after all of that, don't worry, there is one more thing to try. Completely refresh Discord by closing it fully and reopening it. Make sure it is not just minimized to the taskbar. You can also exit Discord from the system tray if needed, then launch it again. This refresh often fixes temporary audio glitches and permission issues. Once Discord restarts, test the microphone one more time. In most cases, following these steps will fix the issue and give Discord full microphone access on Windows. If this tutorial helped you, please remember to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.